Hi, welcome. This is the second video of week 5. I'm going to give you a very short tutorial on some problems featuring morphology that possibly can help you solve the homework set number 5. Okay, so English word morphology. Let's isolate the morphemes of the following English words. Payments. First of all, you can find the S at the end, which is a plural ending. So payment is also a word which is a singular form of the payments, and payment is already also two bimorphemic word. It consists of pay and ment, where pay is a verb to pay something, to give money to someone else, and ment is a ending that makes verb to a noun. It's a suffix, so it's made of a pay and ment and s, which is a plural ending. So these two are suffixes, so they are not free, they are bound morphemes. And pay is a stem, and you can use this word, you can stand it alone, you can use this word by itself. I pay something, so it's a bound it's not a bound morpheme, it's a free morpheme. Bottled is made of a bottle and ed ending. So the ending ed is something when you make a participle. So in here, bottle is used as a verb. You bottled something. So it's this word bottle. It consists of two parts: the verb bottle and an ending ed to make it a past participle. So some drink is bottled drink, is related to an action, bottling something. So this word is made of two morphemes, bottle and d, or ed in other cases. So it's two morphemes. The first one is free, and the other is bound morpheme as a suffix. Sunflower is made of sun and flower. It's a compound word because sun has a meaning, flower has a meaning. They together uh, attach together to form another word called sunflower. So both of them are two different free morphemes. Here, there's no prefix sun. There's no such process where you put sun in front of it to make another kinds of word. So basically, there are two different morphemes that are both free, combining into a single word, sunflower. Realizes. So realize is you first can divide the ending s at the end, which is attached to a verb when the subject of that verb is third person singular, like I realize, but he realizes. And realize is also made of two parts, real and eyes. Eyes is an ending that makes a verb, and real is a adjective. Something is real. So you make something you make something actual, like real thing. It's the whole process is called realize. So this word realizes is made of three parts: real, eyes, s, and these two are suffixes, so therefore bound morphemes. While real is free morpheme, you can use it. It is real. Optionality. Um, let's imagine a smaller version of this word. For example, optional is a word, and option is another word, and opt, like to opt in, to opt out, that's another word. So basically, you can infer that optionality word is made of opt, shin, l, it, four parts. Um, and all these three, something shen makes words a noun, something all at the end makes something adjective, and et is something, it's an ending that makes a word a noun again. So these stem here, there's only one stem, one free morpheme, opt, and you have three suffixes, shen, al, et, optionality. So four morphemes in a single word. So that's how you isolate the morphemes in a word. Let's move on. In the following sentence, which are the function words as opposed to content words? Let's find out function words that are not that does not have lexical meaning. In linguistics, linguistics is not a function word because it has meaning. Morphology is the study of words, how they are formed and their relationship to other words in the same language. Just like linguistics, all the nouns should be excluded because nouns are always content word. Morphology is a noun. Study, words, and relationship, and another words, and language. They're all content words. And adjective, like same, should be also excluded. And verbs, like formed, they to form is a verb, so they're excluded. Also, is and are, they are another form of to be. Be is a verb. It's a copular verb, and it should be also regarded as a content word. So you delete them; they're not function words. All you have left is in, the, of, how, they, and, their, to, other, in, the. And prepositions. Well, it's we don't have like grand consensus in linguistics whether prepositions should be regarded as a function words or content words. There are two major camps, but in this course, we're gonna regard prepositions as a function, as a content word. Sorry, as you can see in the lecture notes and also in my video, my previous video, prepositions are regarded as content word, as a lexical category. So we're gonna delete all the prepositions like in, of, and to, and in something, to something, of something. These are all prepositions. So what we left here is the, which is an article, how, and they, and is a conjunction. There is a demonstrative. They is a pronoun. Other is another demonstrative. The, which is an article. So out of all this sentence, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 function words in this sentence. That was how you find out function words. Content words are noun, verb, adjective or adverb, and prepositions. And function words are all the other words, excluding these. Okay, thank you. I hope you solved the homework 5 very easily. Bye.